What if the reason you are finding weight management so difficult is not due to a lack of willpower, but an under-addressed shift in your internal hormone regulation? Many people meticulously monitor their diet and maintain regular exercise, yet still experience persistent core changes, physical fatigue, and a noticeable slowdown in progress. Conventional advice often focuses strictly on eating less. However, from an endocrinology perspective, your hormonal balance may be contributing to these challenges. One key factor is cortisol, a vital hormone that, when chronically elevated due to prolonged stress, can impair metabolic flexibility and make sustainable fat loss significantly more difficult. Today, we will move past standard fitness trends. We will examine 5 common symptoms associated with chronically elevated cortisol and discuss evidence-based strategies to help normalize cortisol regulation and support your metabolic health. Welcome back to Dr.PureHealth. If you appreciate reliable, science-backed medical insights to better understand your body's biology, please take a moment to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's explore this topic together. To understand cortisol, we look at a core biological pathway, the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal, or HPA-axis. Cortisol is produced by the adrenal glands and plays an essential role in regulating blood pressure, immune response, and daily energy cycles. From an evolutionary standpoint, cortisol is central to the acute stress response. When faced with an immediate physical threat, it temporarily mobilizes glucose for quick energy while deferring non-essential functions, such as deep digestion or reproductive pathways. In our modern environment, however, the stress response is often triggered continuously by chronic daily pressures, poor sleep, or prolonged psychological anxiety. When the body remains in this persistent state of alertness, chronically elevated cortisol may make utilizing stored energy less efficient in some individuals. Let's review the common symptoms that may indicate your body is experiencing prolonged stress exposure. First, persistent abdominal fat accumulation. When cortisol remains elevated over time, it can influence fat distribution. Visceral fat cells, which surround internal organs, have a high density of cortisol receptors. Research suggests that chronically elevated cortisol may increase the activity of enzymes involved in fat storage, particularly around the abdomen, making midsection fat reduction more challenging. Second, disrupted sleep patterns. In a healthy state, cortisol follows a distinct circadian rhythm, peaking in the early morning to help you wake up, and declining to its lowest point at night to allow for deep rest. Chronically high stress can disrupt this curve, leading to daytime fatigue, followed by an inappropriate surge of alertness late in the evening, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep. Third, digestive discomfort and bloating. Because the stress response alters autonomic nervous system activity, prolonged cortisol elevation can reduce blood flow to the digestive tract and affect gut motility. This may manifest as slower digestion, unpredictable bloating after regular meals, and a less resilient gut microbiome. If you have noticed any of these patterns in your daily routine, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep in mind that these symptoms can have many possible causes, but persistent or worsening symptoms deserve evaluation by a qualified healthcare professional. Now, let's examine the final 2 symptoms. Fourth, increased cravings for nutrient-dense foods. This is a physiological response, not a lack of discipline. Because cortisol is responsible for mobilizing energy reserves during stress, fluctuations in this hormone can influence the brain's appetite centers, leading to specific, pronounced cravings for fast-burning energy sources, such as carbohydrates and sugars, particularly late in the day. Fifth, muscle fatigue and decreased focus. Prolonged elevation of cortisol can favor catabolic pathways, which can affect muscle recovery and maintenance, leaving you feeling physically fatigued, even after rest.
Additionally, your body's stress response may be influencing your metabolism and interacting with neurological pathways responsible for memory and concentration, often manifesting as subjective cognitive fog.
Understanding how this affects long-term body composition requires looking at the relationship between cortisol and insulin. When cortisol triggers the release of glucose into the blood to prepare for stress, it requires the pancreas to produce insulin to manage those blood sugar levels. Because insulin is a primary regulatory hormone for energy storage, its frequent elevation may reduce metabolic flexibility, making fat oxidation less efficient over time. Over prolonged periods, this continuous chronic interplay can impact overall cellular insulin sensitivity. To support your system and encourage healthier hormone regulation, focus on foundational, evidence-based lifestyle adjustments rather than extreme restrictions. Modify your physical activity. If your body is already under high stress, prolonged high-intensity cardio can sometimes increase the stress burden. Consider incorporating low-intensity steady-state movement, such as 30-minute outdoor walks, paired with structured resistance training, to safely support lean muscle and lower stress markers. Prioritize sleep hygiene. Ensuring a consistent sleep-wake schedule and reducing blue light exposure in the evening helps restore natural circadian rhythms, allowing cortisol levels to decline appropriately at night. Manage morning stimulants. Consider delaying your morning caffeine intake for roughly 60 to 90 minutes after waking. This allows your natural morning cortisol peak to occur and stabilize without excessive artificial stimulation. Avoid extreme caloric deficits. Severe nutritional deprivation is a physiological stressor that can cause cortisol levels to rise further. Focus on balanced macronutrients to maintain stable blood sugar and support overall metabolic health. Your body is remarkably adaptable. With the right medical guidance and sustainable lifestyle habits, many people can improve their metabolic health over time. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Dr.PureHealth for more evidence-based health education designed to help you make informed decisions about your well-being. Please also consider liking the video, sharing it with anyone who might benefit, and leaving your insights in the comments below. Always speak with a doctor or an endocrinologist to accurately assess your hormone panels and evaluate your overall health. Thank you for watching. Prioritize your long-term health, and I will see you in our next clinical breakdown.